Here I'm reviewing the Nespresso Stormio pods. These are specially made for the Nespresso Vertuo system, which I have here in front of me. So they have the dark green, that is to indicate the Stormio flavor. So here I have the capsule. You just pop that into your Nespresso and then brew that. That was going to brew a full 7.77 ounce mug of coffee. One thing to note about Stormio, given the name, kind of like a storm, it's a dark roast. It has an intensity rating of 8, so it's considerably stronger than many of the other Nespresso coffee options. It's a rich, full-bodied flavor with noticeable woody, spicy, and roasted cereal notes. But despite the darker roast, I do find it relatively smooth and not super harsh. It's a good, bold cup of coffee if you like it that way. If you like great black coffee, this one is a good one to start your morning on. I like to add a little bit of creamer at the end. However, if you like a light roast or a mild roast, this one maybe is not the right one for you. But here you can see it brews very smooth, very nice cup. Looking forward to start my day with it.